everybody. This is Gagajoy's Cooking, and I'm Gagajoy. Today we're going to be making a plantation potato casserole. Now I went ahead and to save us time, it says cook 10 large potatoes. So that's about what I've got here is 10. You put them in here. Whew. Well, my glasses got a little bit steamy from the hot potatoes. But all this stuff got ingredients, goes in the potatoes, and then we bake them. It's a very easy dish, and it's a wonderful dish to take for a reunion or for someone that's invited you for a cookout. So this is 10 big potatoes. To that you chop up 1 large onion. And 1 large pepper. I had 3 peppers, so they were tiny, so I just added them. And it's a teaspoon of salt. This is a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. You also can use bread. You break it up, and it's just for a little binder in here. It's a 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup of milk, and a 1/2 cup of butter. Mine is almost melted, as you see. And then just stir it up. It makes a pretty salad, and it's very good when it's all mashed together with your cheese and stuff. Okay, and this bowl, and there, my cooking dish here. I'm going to add a layer of the potatoes. And a big handful of cheese. It's a little squares of cheese. I don't use these too much, but this is what this one recipe called for. And also I should have put some parsley in it, and I will for the next 2. It sits right there in front of me, and I didn't even see it. Makes a pretty casserole, doesn't it? Okay, another layer of cheese. And we got plenty of it, so we can make it as thick as we want to. And the lice there. Now this is a cup and a half of just plain old cornflakes. It does make a beautiful topping. And the rest of the parsley. Now this goes into the 375 oven for 45 minutes. Now just before you put it in the oven, put aluminum foil on it. And we'll be back, and it takes 45 minutes in the oven. You take your aluminum foil off, and then 45 minutes to crisp up the cornflakes. And so it'll be an hour, so we'll be back. Whoa, look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Let me see. Oh yeah, everything's so soft. I'm not gonna try to take a bite of it, it's so hot. Oh, it's got so many good flavors in it. The cheese, cornflakes really made it good. Because they're real crispy now. Well, we've got a big meal here. So, it's been a wonderful day. Shared the joy this week. A lot of people hurting. And we'll see you soon.